Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. It's been a while since I've just vlogged. I have been vlogging my trips and my travels, but not like a regular week or day in my life. I'm giving you a major spoiler. The background right here that you see is my new walk-in wardrobe. It's just one part of it. So I'm giving you a little bit of a spoiler right here, but I will show you what it looks like in its entirety in an upcoming video because I'm still in the process of putting it together. It literally is my dream walk-in closet and my most favorite room in this entire studio. Now let's talk about my coming week. I am flying to Delhi tomorrow for the YouTube Summit, and directly from the YouTube Summit, I'm going to be going to a different country. We'll talk more about that in a bit, but basically that leaves me only today's day to get a lot of stuff done. I need to pack for two places, Delhi and then the other country. I'm done with filming and pre-planning all of my sponsored content for the next 10 days because I'm going to be gone for 10 days. So we have two events to pack for, and just look at the vibe of both of these places. This is for Delhi and this is for the second place that I'm going to. Very colorful, very fun, and then this is very formal. I'm very nervous about this. I'm going to be trying every single thing on. Anyway, let's get on with packing both of my suitcases. And 5.5 hours later, we are done. In fact, 3 suitcases ho gaye instead of 2. Oh my god, this was challenging, but I'm so glad I'm done with it. Chalo, all done. Hi guys, I've made it to Delhi for YouTube Creator Summit, and most of our flight from Mumbai to Delhi was only and only YouTubers, which was so fun. Aate hi, I've got to meet so many new people. On my flight, I was sitting with Ronnie and I was sitting with Aves. And abhi while coming to the hotel, I was talking to Shivangi Sharma, who I know her, but I got to like really know her. So I'm very excited to meet more new creators. I have seen all of these like YouTubers, Western YouTubers attend these YouTube summits, and I am so excited. I've always wanted to be a part of a YouTuber summit, and it's finally happening. I have checked into my room. As you can see, room tour to banta hai, so let me do that quickly. Alright, so as soon as you enter, to the left we have a full-length mirror. This is what I wore to the airport fit check. I added a blazer because I wanted it to like look more formal. यहाँ पे actually एक room है. This is more like a luggage closet. This is just the beginning of personalization. There's so much more. And then here to the right we have the bathroom, which is beautiful. Has a tub also. Now as you enter, right here we have my key card, which is personalized. How cool is that? So I just realized the key card at the back says the key to creativity. How cute. So here we have this beautiful artwork, which basically kind of summarizes my entire channel. There's travel, there's hauls, there's makeup, which is so nice. It's illustrated by Anjali Mehta. And then yahan par table pe we have a tote bag, which are always welcomed. And then I believe this is an iPad cover, which I am definitely going to be using. And inside there's some information about something that I'm not sure if I can reveal, so I can't open it and show you guys yet. That's the bed and a pillow with my username on it. Yahan pe bhi on the mirror, we've customized it. It says, "Welcome Mridul Sharma to the YouTube Creator Summit." Quickly just ordering some lunch because बहुत भूख लगी है मुझे. As you can tell, I've made myself at home, changed into PJs. Abhi just door ka bell baja. And I thought that my lunch was here. But instead, this is what we got. Look at it. It's so cute. YouTube really knows how to pamper you. This is so cute. It's all edible. I'm assuming, yeah, that's also chocolate, the whole thing. How cute. Yummy. Hi, so just got done with lunch and I also ate the chocolate that they sent me. I don't know what it is about hotel rooms and hotel beds that just makes me so lazy. In general, I feel like I'm a very एक्टिव पर्सन, बट लास्ट फ्यू ट्रिप्स से मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैं होटल रूम में आती हूँ एंड ऑल आई वॉन्ट टू डू इज जस्ट lie down and sleep, and I've been feeling so lazy. So anyway, I'm just gonna sleep for 15 minutes. I have time to like get ready. At 6 o'clock we have our first event, which is the YouTube Creator Summit party. It says get ready for an epic night of fun and connection. 6 से लेके 9:30 तक है ये event, and we're supposed to be wearing party clothes. I have a few options. We'll see. I also spoke to Janvi and Gopali. They just got here. They're having lunch right now. तो मैं थोड़ा टाइम सो जाती हूँ, फिर I think उनके रूम में जाते हैं. I'm all ready. I didn't want to take a chance vlogging and getting ready because I didn't want to be late. But I love my outfit and look for today. Yeah, this light is definitely better. You can actually see my makeup and my hair. I really wanted to put this look together because today they're going to be kind of taking us to our old journey, like a blast from the past almost. So I really wanted to feel like the old me with the wing liner and the makeup and the hair and the outfit also. I feel great. I'm going to go quickly see Janvi and Gopali now. I think this is about right.
हेलो
Ready the camera के लिए?
yes I knew it. ये तो किधर भी है.
Vertical, horizontal, dono. How insane does the sky look today? Looks so beautiful. After party scenes चल रहे हैं, but we're gonna shift rooms. We're going to Janvi Gopali's room, so we need to put Caramel to sleep. Oh, Masi duties. We promise we're not drunk. वरना ऐसा लग रहा है. Full sober, guys.
we are very much sober.
I'm done green tea for you. By the way, we're matching.
yes
Matching PJs. Cheers, guys.
cheers.
So, कल रात को हम 2 o'clock तक लाइफ अपडेट खेल रहे थे. इसके लिए I am a little bit not late. I'm on time, but I had to miss my breakfast to like get ready. This is what my formal look looks like. I think it looks very nice. कुछ बहुत different है for me because wearing a blazer with a maxi skirt is so unlike me. But yeah, I wanted to experiment, and this is what it looks like. I have my banana, so it's gonna help me suffice for like a few hours. Thank you. Made it in time and didn't miss breakfast also. कल रात की दस्तक थोड़ी भारी पड़ी.
पहले मैं सोचा था हम 11:30 से आगे, फिर हमने सोचा था 12, फिर 1 and then 2.
एक्चुअली आज लगता है 2:30.
Obviously वो रूम में जाते जाते थोड़ा रील्स चलाया, थोड़ा टाइम पास किया.
यस, नाइट टाइम रूटीन, रील्स चलाना.
मैंने फिर वो लाइट्स खोले थे.
मैं लाइट्स ऑन करके सोई मैं तो. I don't know why. I have my coffee and the summit is about to begin. This is what the setup looks like. As always, YouTube kills it. In case you're wondering what exactly happens at Creator Summit, basically there is a section where they deep dive into product updates. You get to network with your fellow creators, and you also get expert advice from global leaders like Mr. Neil Mohan, the CEO of YouTube, and also Amir Khan. It's a great tool to really take your channel to the next level. Done with the first half of the Creator Summit, and the energy was insane because having top 100 creators in India in one room, it was insane. And this is also, by the way, the first time that a Creator Summit has been held for one country, India being the first one. I just came back to my room to like quickly freshen up and stuff, get my iPad because abhi iske baad there's a breakout session which I'm so excited for because we get to learn. That's what I was saying. As much as I love Mumbai, the food in Delhi can't be. It's unbeatable. It's unbeatable. So slight change in plans. हमें 10 मिनट में पैक करना है और निकलना है. Gopali is here to help me because I have a flight this very night, and there's a event that's happening in JW that we need to get to. The bus is waiting for us and I'm the only one who's leaving right now. तो हम अब पैनिक करके पैक करेंगे.
हो जाएगा सब हो जाएगा.
Not sure how, but Gopali and I have managed to pack everything in 10 minutes.
1, 2, 3. Okay, everyone. यहाँ पे कोई सिंगर है क्या? गाना गा दो यार.
We made it for Brand Connect, but I am so hungry. I feel like all of us were so hungry. So jaldi se we're grabbing some snacks. Could use a coffee also possibly, but we need to really eat जल्दी. And then go for Brand Connect. बहुत hectic day था आज का, but बहुत अच्छा दिन था. I agree.
Fun fact about Neil that most of you might not know, Neil has a degree in electrical engineering, which means that SLS for him no longer stands for selective load shedding. It means share, like and subscribe.
On behalf of YouTube and the entire YouTube community, congratulations on this amazing milestone. You've been an amazing...
Since I was in the company of such great YouTubers, I really wanted to ask them what is a mistake that they made while starting out. The reason behind doing this is to maybe learn from their mistakes and feel inspired. And this is what they had to say.
I wish I did not underestimate myself and ज़्यादा confidence होता मेरे अंदर. And second, I wish I started blogging sooner.
Nice. You know what? A lot of people are saying this about being underconfident.
Yes.
So I think this is a big sign for everyone watching.
Absolutely. I feel the fear of if this is gonna work out or no. That fear के कारण ना the confidence is sort of lacks.
Yeah.
And you're like, पता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं. But I'm telling you, अगर हम कर सकते हैं ना, you also.
Facts.
I swear.
Facts.
Just do it. कल नहीं आज. Do it today. I wish that I didn't doubt myself as much and I did not listen to a lot of people saying that if you're also doing medicine, you can't do content. I wish that I didn't hear them, didn't listen to them because पहले when you're starting out, hate really affects you a lot and as you grow, you start understanding. तो अगर शुरू में I had someone to guide me or tell me कि ये सब छोड़, you just concentrate, put your head down and go ahead, keep working hard and let God do what He wants to do.
Nice.
That.
I agree that you can do multiple things at once if you really want to.
And if you just put your head down and keep working hard, let the universe decide where it wants to take you.
Nice.
The biggest mistake you can avoid is don't think about society कि हाँ मेरे friends क्या बोलेंगे, मेरी family क्या बोलेगी. Just pick up the camera,
आपको जो
shoot
करने का
yourself.
मन है वो करो and post करो even if it's pathetic quality post it. Because only that
भाई
will learn.
हमारी पहली वीडियो ना इतना cringe होता है हमको उसको
Yeah,
देख के इतनी
but उस time पे you might think it's cringe, but that's only how you learn.
Yeah.
Make mistakes, make how many ever mistakes you want. Don't think about other people.
just pick up the camera, start shooting. Hi guys, कैसे हो आप? बस.
Okay, so that mistake is I was really underconfident. मैं सोचती थी ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी, मतलब ये तो मेरे रीच के बहुत बाहर है. I had many insecurities, but और मैंने बोलने वाले वीडियो से पहले शुरू नहीं किया because मुझे लगता था मेरी आवाज बहुत बुरी है, कोई झेल नहीं पाएगा. But when I started मुझे इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला. I was like ये तो पहले करना चाहिए था, मैंने क्यों नहीं किया. So basically ये यार तुम तो बिंदास कर लो, इतना सोचो मत खुद के बारे में, सीधा और do what you love.
Just do it.
दिमाग लड़ाओ मत.
So I really think that when I had started my YouTube journey, I was not being 100% real. Like I was still a little scared, a little conscious and all of that. And I feel that is something that you need to let go of your inhibitions basically. You need to be like 100% yourself in front of the camera. You don't have to act like somebody else or you don't have to like, you know, think too much before creating.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that I wish I did not do when I had started.
Got it. That makes sense.
वन मिस्टेक जो शायद मैं स्किप कर सकती थी, अवॉइड कर सकती थी, वो है मैं ना पहले बहुत ज्यादा वीडियोस अपलोड करती थी, बहुत ज्यादा रश में, तो सैचुरेशन आ जाता था. सो बी डिसिप्लिन, डोंट ओवरडू एनीथिंग.
Nice.
One thing that I could have avoided as a content creator in beginning is लोगों की सुनना. बहुत बार जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो लोग बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते थे, मम्मी को बोलते थे कि कहाँ वीडियोस वगैरह बना रही, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा. और अब वही लोग जो पहले बोलते थे वही लोग आते हैं कि हमारा ये प्रमोट कर दोगे, हमारा वो प्रमोट कर दोगे. I've been bullied for making content and now I'm here at YouTube Creator Summit. So yeah.
I think one mistake what usually people do is whenever they feel like doing something,
they procrastinate thinking कि
Yeah.
ये मुझसे नहीं होगा. Like what I did, I wanted to start a YouTube channel back in 2012.
Yeah.
But I thought यार मुझसे नहीं होगा. तो मुझे इतना रिग्रेट होता है कि मैं काश और जल्दी कर ली होती. So हमेशा अपने इंस्टिंक्ट सुनो because it can get you a first mover advantage.
Correct.
And करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं चला तो नहीं चला. But at least you know that you tried.
Correct.
So I think whatever your gut feeling or instinct tells you, do it.
And I've made it to location number 2. More about that in another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this particular video. The last 2 days have been hectic, but in the best way possible. I feel like I almost manifested this because I've always wanted to attend a creator summit. And I've watched so many YouTubers going for summits, like the YouTubers from the West, and it always seems so fun. I'm so glad that I could be a part of this. Biggest shout out to YouTube for taking such good care of us, for showering us with so many goodies, and also sharing such great resources. What I'm also going to do is some things that I've learned, I will be linking them down below, certain apps and certain new features that YouTube has launched. So if you're a new creator, hope this vlog has possibly helped you, especially the interview bit. That's it. I'm going to end the video. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.